All right, welcome to CodeMate TV. As always, simple introduction. And today I've decided to share something great. We want to build a web scraping service. And in this video series, I have planned to manage user registration, as you can see. And I want to create a new route for scraping parts. So we will add our scrapers in that directory. And also we want to implement scraping logics. For example, when we take the data, we should decrease users balance or maybe credits, and all credits and plans are monthly, so we should check the dates always. And also I also have planned to use a real database in the future episodes. I want to add MongoDB. I'm not sure, but I think MongoDB is really great for async programming. I think we should use something like Motor, if I'm not mistaken. And then I have planned to add Google Map, Google Search, Instagram, TikTok, Zillow, many great things. And yeah, and also I'm gonna show you how you can handle HTTP exceptions. Okay, HTTP errors are really crucial. And also I think it's good to show how you can publish your scraping server. Okay, you should buy VPS and set up our FastAPI there. So instead of sending requests to a local, you can just send a request to real IP, and yeah, why not? And also I plan to add payment methods, and I'm thinking about crypto. And also by going further and further, and we finally we will be able to implement rate limits, which is really great in scraping. As you know, many scraping service providers have rate limits, credits, and these things. And we have logging. I'm going to show you how you can monitor the scrapers, the requests. And also I want to add OTP, and users can register their account using email verification, which is really great. And also I'm gonna add new APIs, new scrapers, TikTok, many things, Facebook, why not? We want to do something cool in this video series. And if you're ready, we can start the first episode. And yeah, that's it. Okay, for this project, I've made a GitHub repo, and you just need to clone it. Okay, it's for this project, scraping service. And and we just need to say git clone. Okay, and also then we just print code to open the VS Code in this directory. And we just need to cd to scraping service. There it is. And now we have a git ignore for Python. Okay, no matter what it is for now. And I'm gonna use FastAPI because FastAPI is cool, fast, easy, and powerful. And to install FastAPI, you should just FastAPI, pip install FastAPI. You also need to install UVcorn, and it helps us to make this server. And I'm not a backend dev, guys, but I just know what we need for creating this service. Okay, to use our skills and sell our, to use our skills to earn money. Okay, because it is really great to not giving your raw source code to your clients. Okay, you can make a scraping service for yourself, and instead of giving the source code, you can just give them an API key. Okay, and then they can automatically buy credits and use your scraping endpoints. And it is something that I'm really doing for a website at the moment. And I thought that it can be a great tutorial for you. And yeah, that's it. So we need a main.py for making our endpoint, and yeah, install FastAPI, okay, and also Ubicorn, as I said. Did I say? Oh yeah, I'm not sure. FastAPI and Ubicorn, okay, Ubicorn, yeah. No matter what it is, I recommend using an environment in Python instead of installing packages directly. Okay, what we need to first of all import FastAPI, okay, and from FastAPI import FastAPI, thanks pilot, and then we just need to create our app, okay, and now we have the server without any endpoint. And what's next? We need to create a root directory, and we can say that, okay, it's going to be a get method to our root directory, and then it's going to be an async server, async def root. You can say that, yeah, return message hello world. I'm not fast at typing, that's why I'm just pressing tab and use Copilot suggestions. Okay, hello world and hello programmers, maybe. No, hello, yeah, why not? Why hello world? Okay. Okay, and let me just advertise a little bit. We are CodeMate TV. Cool. CodeMate TV is here, why not? And so how to run it? And you just need to, let me just, I think Ubicorn main app, something like that. Yeah, Ubicorn. Yeah, using Ubicorn we run our server, and we say that, okay, our app is located in the main file. That's why we use the main here for our app, and I'm using this reload option, and because whenever we save the code, it just reload the server. Okay, it is what it is. It really helpful. It is really helpful. And yeah, so now we have endpoint for our root directory, which is a get method, and whenever a user sends a get request to it, it just shows this message, hello programmers, CodeMate TV is here. Why not? Crazy. And as I said, it is going to be completely API based, and that's why I'm gonna use Postman. So yeah, we said that it is our root directory, and whenever we send a get request, it just gives us this hello programmers, CodeMate TV is here. Postman is great, it's free. I don't know you use it or not. It can convert our code to all available programming languages with their different library for sending request, which is great. JavaScript for fetch, jQuery, XHR, and so on. Okay, I haven't speak the English sometimes I haven't spoken English too much these days, and I think I have forgotten. I have forgotten. Yeah, anyway, and yeah, so let's see what we have. Okay, yeah, we have set up our FastAPI server. Okay, then we can create our endpoint. Okay, what we need? Let's see what we need. First of all, we wanna, in this episode, I'm just gonna cover user registration. Okay, and what we need, and what we need for registration, we can say that we need a register endpoint. Okay, and also let me just make it a bit bigger. We need a register endpoint. We need something like a login. Okay, but I've decided to use dashboard, and also we need something for buying, because user want to buy our cards and plannings, and what is our plannings. So that's why we need a pricing page. Pricing. And what about scraping? For scraping, as I said, I've decided to create a separate routing for our scrapers. For example, scrapers, and in the next episode actually, and then we can, for example, say that okay, scrapers, something like scrapers for Google Map, okay. And for example, maybe scrapers for Instagram profile, something like this, okay. Why not? And but it is not for our today's episode, and I just want to cover these 4 key endpoints that we need for this project. And yeah, so let's go and make them. Okay, so we need pricing, okay, for our pricing, and also we need register, okay, register, and also we need something like a dashboard for dashboard, and also we need buy, okay, we should buy. Then I assign scrapers in another directory and routes in the next episode. So if you're familiar with user registration, you can just skip the video. But for pricing, we need get request. For register, we need post request, okay, because we want to send something to server. And also for dashboard, why not? And also for buy, yeah. And but yeah, we can use get. Also we can use post, no matter, okay, what you are using. And pricing, for example, for registration and dashboard and buy. So for now, I'm just gonna focus on pricing. So what should we return? We want to just return a pricing message. Now I want to say that okay, we have some plans, and whenever user just open this directory, I mean when he send get request to pricing, we want to show our prices, our plans, and but what are our plans? That's why I'm gonna make free basic and pro. I'm gonna use Copilot, why not, to save time. It is really great because I'm not good at typing, to be honest with you. Free, let's see what is the suggestion. Okay, we should specify the credit, okay. For example, 100, why not? And price is 0. I also need description, duration. Yeah, we can say duration here, but I'm gonna assign expiry date, very simple. And expiry, not expiry, description, bro. Free plan with 100 credits. Yeah, cool. Also for basic and pro, can you do the same, Copilot? 100 credits, price $10, for example. And cool. So it is our plan. Why not? So fast. Okay, we just saved 3 minutes. And let's test it. So we get request to pricing and see how it works. Pricing. Oh, cool. Plan for free, basic, premium. Oh, I wanted pro. Let's just change it. No matter, but I don't know. Okay, so yeah. And yeah, that's it. That's cool. What's next? Next step is our user registration. Okay. For post methods, you know that first of all we need to say, okay, user registered successfully, and then I'm gonna just return user data, but we don't have any database at the moment, and that's why, let me just close this. That's why I'm gonna create a in-memory database for now, but in the next videos, in the next episodes, I'm gonna use MongoDB Motor because that's great for async programming. But now I'm just gonna use a in-memory database. Okay, user DB, why not? And now in this post request, we should take some data from the users. First of all, we should change the HTTP method, and we say register. Yeah, I have it. And I'm gonna send data using JSON. Okay, and I want to take full name, email, and password. That's it. Okay, and when somebody just register, we assign a free plan to him with 30 days expiry. Let's do it, but just let me show you what I'm talking about. Full name, for example, is I don't know, CodeMate, and also the email is something like codematetv@gmail.com. Okay, and what is the password? Oh, am I fast typing? Test 1 2 1 2. So yeah, but when we just send a request, it says that not found. Register, is that correct or not? Let me yeah, I forgot to save it. Let me save it once again, and it should give us an error because we haven't specified the user yet. Yeah, we took, yeah, user is not defined, so let's do it. So what we need, so I think it is the last step. Then I mean, when everything is fine and the user is registered successfully, we just return a register, I mean the message, and also user data. We need API key, we need expiry date, we need to first check the user, I mean the client sends all these data. Okay, full name, email, passwords. I'm gonna do it and handle it very easy and simple. Okay, it's not gonna be a professional series for making server for scraping, but it works, and I'm working with this with my real world projects and clients, so you can do it. And yeah, so first of all, we should read the data from the request that is coming from the client using request. And I'm gonna say that request is equal to request from FastAPI, and I also need to import it. Okay, and it gives us some data from the request that is coming to the server from the client. And first of all, we should read the data. Okay, something like data request.json. We use a wait, okay, because we're using async programming, and we should wait for server to take data from the client. Okay, and so it's gonna be a JSON, and we should read and take full name, email, and password. And we say that, okay, full name is equal to data that get full name thanks to Copilot. And also we have email, which is data that get email, and password, which is data that get password, and everything is cool. And for now, we can say that, you know, that when you just say that, okay, data that get full name, and if the user doesn't give us full name, you just return none. Okay, so now I'm gonna say that, okay, if not all if not all full name, email, and password, you should say that okay, all fields are required. Okay, it's crazy. And guys, I don't have time to save these info now. We took 50 because we don't, I mean, we haven't specified the users yet, but let me just, yeah, all fields are required. Okay, later on I just add HTTP errors. For example, we should give something like 40, I don't know, 40, 401, or no, 403 for forbidden. I don't know, I will find a way. I mean, we just need to send a GET request. I mean, we just need to send the HTTP code, okay? Because as you saw, we took 200, which is not correct. Maybe we should return 500. And yeah, another thing that we should check, we have to check that if user, I mean, is already there or not. It is really important because otherwise we, I mean, user try to assign free plan twice a time, or maybe 3 or 4 times, which is not good. So we should say that if email in user DB, you should return user already exist. Okay, and yeah, I just take the email that we had and search in user DB, because I'm gonna save users based on their email. Okay, and I'm gonna just show it right now. So now we are ready to save data. User, yeah, why not? Yeah, not user. I'm gonna say that user email. Okay, so we create a new row and data, and maybe add a new data to our in-memory database, and we say that okay, you should create a field with the email that we take, and it is equal to a long list, maybe full name, email, password, credits, and plan. Yeah, we need them, but wait, we should first of all generate an API key for the users, and we are on registered endpoint, so we can say that okay, plan name is equal to 3. Okay, first of all, and what is the API key? We should, I'm going to use a UUID. Okay, and I'm going to use UUID version 4 and as a string for users API. And I say that okay, a string of UUID version 4. So now we have plan name, API key, and no, I should, oh my god, what is that? I should assign expiry date right now, and we say expiry I don't know, maybe just expiry. Yeah, expiry is equal to, so I'm gonna use a datetime for expiry, and from datetime import datetime to take the current time, and delta time to add 30 days to, I mean, time delta to add 30 days to current time. So we know that 30 days later this expiry will be activated, and yeah, it is what it is. Expiry is equal to, and we should save it as ISO format because it is more convenient for MongoDB later. Okay, I will talk about it. So I'm gonna say that first of all we need to take datetime, and now it is great, and time delta we take a current time and add 30 days to it, but I'm gonna say that UTC now, something like this, and I'm gonna convert it into ISO format, and that's why I'm gonna say ISO format like this, and UTC now everything is correct, and now we can say that yeah, now we can save data from the users in our DB. So we say that okay, what is the full name? First of all, we have the full name, which is the full name that we already took from the users. We have emails, we have passwords thanks to Copilot. We also have plan name, okay, and I'm gonna use plan, not plan name. His plan, his credits, or maybe API key and expiry. And what about his credits? Okay, I'm gonna, because I'm also wanna save his credits, something like, but I should take it. Plan name is free, and I'm gonna, because I'm gonna, I can say that it should be 100, okay, but I just wanna be a little bit dynamic. I'm gonna say that from plans that we have, go and find one which is a plan name which is free and just gives us his credits, okay, and now we just assign credits to credits. Okay, congratulations. But let's just uh let's just let's just print it and run it. And now we can say that because I'm gonna return the user, and it is not user. What is this? We should use user db instead of it. And here we can now say that, okay, this user is equal to user db, and we need to find that user based on his email, okay, and then just print the user. There it is. Are you ready for registration? Okay, I'm excited about it. So yeah, register. Yeah, we already had a register, CodeMate, email codematetv@gmail.com, test 12 tool. Let's give it a try. Oh god, thanks. So yeah, now as you can see, we have user registered successfully, full name codematetv@gmail.com. Password, yeah, we then can use hash for, hashing password for most security things. Plan is free, credits, API key, and expiry date. Okay, as you can see, it is in the next 30 days. Okay, and in a scraping, I just say that, okay, if expiry is any before and after and that, and it means that the plan is not valid. Okay, oh cool. So it's for it was for our register. So now let's move on dashboard. Now it's time for our dashboard, and or maybe login. So it should be a post request, and also as we did for register, we should take data from the user, from the client, and well, request is equal to request. What is this? Okay, first of all, we should read the data. Oh my god, what are these? Data is equal to wait request dot JSON, and now we have the data. Okay, I don't want this. What is happening? And yeah, in dashboard we should now, it's something like login, okay, and you should secure this part, and we should check the credentials, and also we should check all fields are there as we did for registration. And but let's first that, okay, we want the email, we also have the password, and now I'm gonna say that if not all email and password, it means that all fields are required. Okay, later on we use pydantic, okay, in Python. Okay, it's really great for managing input data and even output response. Okay, and now we should check the credentials. Okay, first of all, we should take the users. We can say that this user is equal to user db.get email. So if there is no user, it just return none. Okay, and I say if not user, and I also wanna check password, okay, or user password. Yeah, cool. If user password is not equal to password that he gave to us, it means that it's invalid credentials, and it is great. Okay, it sounds rational. Wow, such a English word I used, rational. And so if everything is okay, now we should yeah, we're done with this part. We should now here we have to return message. Yeah, logged in successfully, but I'm gonna remove the password from it when we want to return data. I'm gonna say user data is equal to this user that we have that copy, and I'm just gonna pop the password for user data, and then I'm gonna show user data. Yeah, login successfully. Or maybe we can say you are in dashboard. I don't know, dashboard. Yeah, dashboard is better than login, because login is like something like form or UI things. Okay, are you ready to give it a try? I'm saving this server each time, and we just lose our, I mean, we are losing our DB. Okay, that's why, I mean, one of the biggest problem of these in-memory DBs is that when you just reset the server, it just forget everything. Okay, first, so we need to first, once again, we should register. Okay, and you see that it generated it. Okay, when we run this again, it says that email is already. Oh, cool. Why you don't set email is already exist? And let me, what happened? Let me try. Oh my god. I think I know what happened. I think I'm saving the email in invalid format, but let me just test the login. It shouldn't work. Dashboard. It shouldn't work as far as I know. Invalid credentials. Yeah. And when I save the user, yeah, I'm just saving the same email. I'm saving this. Okay, but I think I trusted Copilot, and yeah, now we are saving each user in yeah, it's a unique email address, and now we have to use this. Okay, refreshing the flushing the memory. Let me register once again. Okay, and yeah, user already exists. We can see it, and now cool, your user logged in successfully. So now user can see his name, also plan, credits, API key expiry, and also we have removed the password, which is great. So what is next? First, I mean, the next thing is really easy for now. I think it should be get request because we want to just buy something. Although we say some data, let me see. I actually don't know for this part, but I think it can be a good option to try using parameters and query, because in get request we have to send data like that. And what we can say, we don't have to import anything, and at the end we just should say that your plan successfully updated. Okay, yeah, plan purchased or not purchased, because all users have a free plan upgraded successfully thanks to Copilot. So when you want to take query, okay, it's not like these in JSON data. You just can simply say that, okay, I'm gonna use email, okay, and str. Yeah, we can, and we can, it's depends on you. I'm not gonna use it, but why not? it should be a string, otherwise it gives us error. What is your email and what plan do you want to order? What is your plan name? Okay, if he said plan name, yeah, we take the plan, we check the plan, and also we should find a way to not assign free plan to users for free each time, okay? But I'm gonna do it later. And first of all, let's find this user. Okay, we don't have to wait for JSON data. We can directly, using parameters, take a data. And and user is email to user. But first of all, let me check if email is in our database or not. Okay, it is really important. And also for plans, as you can see, if plan name not in plans, it means invalid plan. And also if email not in user DB, it means that user not found. Okay, so nobody can purchase something for anybody else. Wow, I typed too smooth. Nobody else something like that. And anyway, and now we have everything that we want. We take the user, and now we just have to update some data from this user. Okay, first of all, we should I need to add a to-do function for our crypto payment later. Implement payment gateway integration later, maybe in the 6th episode. I don't know, I'm not sure, 5 or 6. And if it was successful, we should take it here. Okay, then if it was successful, and we should now update his first of all user plan, why not, and also user credits, and also user expiry. User credits equals to plan's name, and let me just say that I'm gonna assign no I don't want to after his payment say that okay, you cannot yeah, I should say that okay, if plan name is equal to free, I'm gonna say that free plan is already activated. Crazy, thanks. And now we know that he is maybe either purchasing pro or basic. Yeah, that was the basic. So now we user plan is planning, user credits equal to plans name, which we take credits. We take these credits from here. Okay, plan names credits. We update the credits from the plans that we have, and also we should update the expiry. And I say user expiry. I say let me just check out what I have here. Expiry. Yeah, expiry is cool because I had plan expiry before based on what I have here. So I should check expiry. Plan expiry. I should take a new datetime in ISO format as we did for dashboard for register here. We need this one. Okay, exactly this one. Once again, we update his expiry to it is what it is. And now it means that user paid for the plan, and I'm gonna just say that user, and I'm gonna say user data. Okay, I want to remove the password once again, so I say user data is equal to user.copy, and then user data pop password for more security things for now, and we consider that it is true. okay, for this to do function. So okay, I saved it. Let's try register and buy something and check our APIs. First of all, let's just register. Okay, user registers successfully, and then let's try login, and we want to buy, and we should assign parameters here, and there was an email, which is what is the email? Yeah, crazy. It is like a real things. I like it. And we should say plan name. Let's first try free. Done. Free plan is already activated. So let's try pro. Okay, you don't have to pay. Why not? Oh, invalid plan. Why not? Do we have pro or maybe premium? Oh, pro with the capital P. I will fix it later. I don't want to save it right now. Yeah, let me just use a capital P. Oh my god, what is the error? Dict object has no attribute commie. Oh, copy, not commie. Oh, so I didn't have any error handling. I don't know. Where am I? I mean, I think user updated successfully from now. Okay, because oh, I saved it. Okay, no problem. Register, and we are trying to check the dashboard, and I'm gonna update invalid plan. Why? Oh, because oh my god, it's close to 8 a.m. I haven't slept and plan upgraded successfully. And now if you just check the dashboard, it should be something like crazy 10,000 with a pro plan. Okay guys, I hope I know it this episode was a little bit simple for many of you, but I just wanted to start it from scratch. Okay, we will do crazy thing. Okay, scraping. Okay, you know that I'm crazy about scraping, and we add I'm gonna be as a reseller and find a company to resell his API keys. So we just use their API keys, and I'm gonna search for the cheapest possible providers out there, and also I mean, then I will find out which one is the cheapest one, and from, I mean, I'm talking about the price, I'm talking about performance and everything. And yeah, I'm gonna add Instagram, I'm gonna add Twitter, I'm gonna add maybe TikTok, Google Map, Google Search, Google Trend, Google Shopping, anything that you may think. And yeah, so if you know any web scraping providers out there, let me know in comment below. So because I should search and try to analyze them one by one, try them, and so in the next episode we will find new scraping providers. Also, I'm gonna then show you how you can for example in a scraping, first of all we should check that the plan, I mean the user has balance or not. Okay, and also we should check that API key is valid on headers. Okay, we are not gonna give scraping service using email and password. Okay, all user has API key, so we check that API key is valid and also has balance. And I'm gonna show you how you can find the user's balance based on their API key. Okay, like a query. And yeah, and it's gonna be crazy. Okay, and I'm gonna specify that routes for scraping, and also we will show date expiry and more things in the next episode. And if you learn something and you like learning these tutorials, crazy real world tutorials in my opinion, just like the video, and if you're new, just subscribe. Okay, I need your supports, and I will put the link of this repo in the description below, and you can check out my free web scraping course on codemadetv.com. and I will put a buy me a coffee link if you just think that you want to support me. And yeah, everything is in the description below. Anyway, so and after after finishing this recording, I'm gonna push the code in the GitHub repo so we can check, and you can clone the repository and update me if you're interested. And yeah, and I hope to see you in the next video, guys, and goodbye for now.